you steal Mommy's burrito? You had little pieces of burrito. But you want the whole thing, huh? Sit down, please. Are you eating your burrito?
Mm-hmm.
Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Does little Betty think it's delicious?
Thank you for my guitar, Titi.
That's random. Can you say it again?
Thank you for my guitar, Titi.
Good.
Was that Grandpa or Titi?
It's nobody. It's Mommy videotaping.
I want to see it.
Okay.
Let me see the video. Please.
Good. You're tearing into that little burrito, honey. Good job.
Why is he tearing it?
Well, he just really likes burrito, I guess.